Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations. Today we're doing You by Blanco, Vance Joy, and Marshmello. Alright, let's get right into it. Make sure your guitar's in standard tuning, put your cap on fret number 4, and if you're not familiar with the chords that I'm going to be using, you can check out my chord video. It's in the description, okay? So the basic chords for the intro and the verse are E minor, C, G, G, D. Na 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 na. So you have E minor, C, G, G, D. Alright, so that's your verse, okay? For the beginner player. And if you're playing it from an advanced or intermediate level, you're gonna be doing and that's basically the same chords, but now we're picking specific strings. So for E minor, we're going to be playing. So that's 6, 4, 3, and then you go to C and play 5, and then open on the 4th string to 2nd fret. So that's on C, okay? So that's 5, 4, open, 2nd fret of 4th string, which is the C note, okay? On the 4th string. So E minor, C, and then we go to G. Now for G, we're plucking 6 and 4 simultaneously, going to 5. Okay, so 4, 5, 4, 5. That's on your 5th string, open 2, release. Okay, open, hammer onto 2, and then open back to the 3rd fret of 6th string. So that's alright, so E minor, C, G, right, that's your verse. Let's go into the pre-chorus and chorus. Someone else, I wish I told you. It's only you. Oh, you. Only you. Okay, so the chords for your chorus are oh you, E minor, only you, to G, okay, so that's C again. So we have E minor, G, C. Who sings it's someone else, I wish I told you, it's only you. Oh you, E minor, only you, to G, C, E minor to G, C. We have okay, so that's C to E minor to C. Okay. Okay, so let me just play the chorus one more time. E minor, only you, to G. Okay, so that's the pre-chorus actually. The chorus is the EDM part. So for that part, we're playing E minor. We're playing E minor, C, G, E minor, C, G again. That's the Alright, let me know if you guys are interested in that fingerstyle tutorial. I will do a separate video for it. But yeah, for your chorus, you have those chords. And the next verse is the same as the first one. the chorus must be the same also. So that's pretty much the whole song, guys. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.